Hey guys, Tony here. How's everybody doing? Unfortunately, earlier today, I actually released a video stating that all altcoins were going to run. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen. We actually had Bitcoin break a pretty good trend here ever since December 20th. So for about 5 days or so, that trend's been going on. It actually just broke it. I think we're going back to 48.7 roughly, maybe 49.4, somewhere around this range. I think minimum. We can definitely go lower though, but yeah, altcoins aren't running. I really doubt that they are going to. I don't want to say that I really doubt that they're going to run. I just, after Bitcoin, completely just kind of broke trend, and you can see Ethereum breaking trend right there. Would not be surprised to see Ethereum under $4,000 again. The unfortunate part from that is, we actually start creating. Look at that, Ethereum daily bear trigger. That's not good, man. Fuck. And we actually didn't break relative highs of 41.82 either. So as of right now, it's I don't know, man. It's not really looking all that good right now. I can take off that trend right now because it's not doing that well. You might see it come back to this trend right here. You did break. You did break the downtrend that started back on December 1st, which is fantastic. You actually broke it. I'll leave this up, but you actually broke it here. You broke it right here, December 23rd, you broke it. But as of right now, it does look like you're going to be closing another perfect sell on Ethereum. And the last time that happened was back here. Ugh, that's ugly, man. That's really, really ugly. From highs of 46.5, 4,656 to lows of, 35.78. So you had a full $1,000 drop on Ethereum after that daily trigger happened. Unfortunately, if we do see under 39.50 and we do have that strong bear trigger, that sucks, man. I didn't want to make this video, but I can see another $1,000 drop. So I can see Ethereum go all the way down to like 3,000, under 3,300. It's not looking really good right now, to be completely honest. I did not expect trend to get broken. I really wanted Bitcoin to stay, consistently running to the upside and at least have this 4 hour do something. I didn't want trend to break. As long as you don't go under 48.7, I think the whole crypto market is fairly okay. I think this range right here is pretty good. There's definitely support here at around 49.3, I think. So you should be definitely okay here. But I don't know. You need after this trend break right here, you either need a big buy order or something. I'm still holding hope that the 4 hour on BTC does something really good, because it's been pretty good so far, right? It's been running from 48.3 to highs of 51. So like 48, like maybe like $3,000. So from here, it would be like another 52 run, right? We gotta wait and see. I still think there's a small chance that we can see Bitcoin and the crypto market recover from here, possibly make a really good 180, depending on what the 4 hour bullish cycle looks like. And that's going to happen. I thought it was going to happen earlier today, within earlier in the video I released, that it was going to happen between 8 to 12 hours, I think, at 8 in the morning. That actually didn't end up happening because we actually did not close a bullish trigger. We actually ended up diving down lower, which actually caused us to stay in this bearish cycle a little bit longer, right? So so every single cycle has been only lasted about maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So about seven times 4 is what, 24. So about a full day, right? 1, 5, 6, 7, 24 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right now we're going on about 44 hours of a bear cycle, which is almost double of what a usual 4 hour bear cycle looks like. So I don't have completely loss of hope. I really hope that this next 4 hour bull trigger does something pretty insane with Bitcoin, because if it doesn't, unfortunately the chart is not in the favor of Bitcoin or Ethereum running back to all-time highs. If you don't see this 4-hour bull trigger do something, ridiculous and something really good, unfortunately, I don't see a big move soon. You still have the weekly right here, maybe closing bullish in another week or two, possibly a little bit longer. I don't know, man. It's looking kind of funky right now. I was pretty happy that we did this rally today, but we really need to see Bitcoin touch at least 53K and go up and go over that to not go all the way back down and possibly retest lows of what, like 45K again. So I don't know. We'll see what happens in the next couple of days, next couple of hours, really, because I really want to see how this 4-hour trigger plays out. It's been playing out extremely well on Bitcoin. Everything's been going really well. It's just we got to wait and see what actually happens. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. So far right now, I'm bearish. We'll see how low it goes. I'm thinking there's a chance that we probably come back to 48.7. So I think we do come back and retest this 48.7 level on Bitcoin. After that, I have no idea. It can rally up, it can go down, it could trade sideways. As of right now, it does look like it's possibly going to keep going down, though. Look at this daily, man. The daily looks ugly. I'll tell you guys that right now. I would not be surprised to see Bitcoin back at 46.3 and the whole market basically dump with it. And this basically being a double top right here, right? First top, second top, especially because it's a lower top too, which is concerning. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good night. Bye.